Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. JMeter requires Java to run. Install OpenJDK with the next command. Verify the Java installation. Go to the official Apache JMeter download page to get the latest version link, or use get command to download directly. Run the next command. Extract the downloaded file with the next command. Move to the extracted folder to a suitable directory. Run next command. Next, set environment variables. Open the bashrc file. Add the following line at the end of the file. Reload the file with the next command. Run JMeter using the following command. To check the installation, run the following command. You should see the installed JMeter version displayed. That's it. If you have any question, please leave me in the comments.